What's up, guys? In this video, I'm going to show you how to get free Jurassic World loyalty points and cash to unlock exclusive dinosaurs and buildings. Also, you will be able to speed up tasks quickly in the game. As you can see on your screen, I have over 100,000 loyalty points and cash in my balance, which I got for free, by the way. This method works for both iOS and Android. Just open any browser on your device and go to gemtosa.com. It will bring you to this page, and all you simply need to do is scroll down until you find the Jurassic World event, then click on it. It will bring you to this page, which is an exclusive event that has been giving Jurassic World game users up to 100,000 free loyalty points and cash. Just go to the top left section of your Jurassic World account, then click on Settings to find your user ID. Then input it in this box, then click on the Receive button below. It will then conduct a search for your account in order to bind the loyalty points and cash successfully. Once the binding process is complete, make sure to click on the Claim Now button. This is just a way the event confirms you are a human and not a bot, and you will receive the loyalty points and cash in your account instantly.